Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Fast TMA Line Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how this triangular moving average line appears on the chart, what its slope and position imply about trend and potential reversal points, and how you can use it as a responsive trend guide. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Fast TMA Line Indicator plots a smoothed line directly on the main price chart, calculated using a triangular moving average that emphasizes the middle portion of recent data. The line runs close to price but remains smoother than a standard simple or exponential moving average, helping you see the underlying direction without every small fluctuation. When the TMA line is sloping upward and price is trading above it, it visually supports a bullish environment, while a downward sloping line with price below supports a bearish environment. As price moves further away from the fast TMA line, the display implies an extended move that may eventually revert toward the equilibrium the line represents, especially in range line markets. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so we basically have the period that controls how many bars are used to build the moving average. Longer periods produce a smoother, slower line, while shorter periods make the fast TMA more responsive. We also have our ATR multiplier, ATR period, and the rest of that. We also have options to set alerts, as well as how the alerts come and the sounds. And then the color and style allows you to customize how the fast TMA line is drawn so it stands out clearly against your chart. So who is it for and what are its limitations? The fast TMA line indicator is suited to traders who want a smoother, visually clear trend line that still reacts quickly enough to changes in market direction. It can work for both trend following traders who watch the slope and for mean reversion traders who monitor how far price stretches away from the line. Because TMA style lines are based on historical data and can be computationally heavier at higher settings, they may lag during sharp reversals and can slow testing with very large periods. So the fast TMA line should be combined with other tools and careful risk management rather than used alone. The download link for the fast TMA line indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about triangular moving averages and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you like more videos on moving average based trend tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.